Oh, hi. So this is the egg loaf that we made earlier, the video that you just watched. As you can see, it quite deflated, and it's been cooling now for about an hour. So now we're going to take it out of the loaf pan, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I take a knife and I just go around the pan a little bit like this. It should come out anyways, but just bear with me. There we go. There we go. Okay. One more time. Okay. So now at this point we're gonna flip it on the back side or the bottom side showing. Watch this. It may come out okay, may not. We'll see. Okay. Well, that's the back side. So that's what the back side looks like. Okay. And when I pop that out, it's got a little bit of, I probably could have taken a little more spray to it or put parchment paper in it, but we'll try a little piece. It's very good. Very good. Now let's cut it, see. Okay, like this. Show you the texture in the middle of the bread. I'm going to cut it in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I cut mine into 9 different slices, okay? And it's kind of greasy because it's got the butter in it and the cheese. But I'm going to show you guys. If you look at it, I'm feeling the bread with the egg loaf, and it's got like a greasy feeling to it. But don't forget it. You got the cream cheese and the butter in there, and yeah. So you pop it open like that. See. Trying the taste of it. Wicked good. Now I'm going to plate it, and then I'm going to show you how I plate it. So this can be used as 2 different meals. What you can do with these is you can fry them up, make French toast out of them. Put a couple slices, half a slice of cheese on each side, and then fry it up like grilled cheese sandwiches, like I've done a number of times, but this is how I typically will eat this. So I'm going to plate it, and I'm going to show you my final product on my plate. So like I said, it will break apart, but you can see from the texture, you're going to eat it anyways, and well, as you can see after we plated it, how nice these came out, and that would have came out fine. I think if you put it parchment paper like I have done in the past and pull it out with parchment paper, you wouldn't have had that break apart in the bottom. But this is what I use. I use Vermont maple syrup, and it's sugar-free, and it's perfectly fine for keto. I just take a little bit, pour it on each, grip it on each one. And I had used that chalk stuff that a lot of people rave about, but I'm not crazy about it, but I will eat it on occasion. I mean, it is all right, but, so that's about a tablespoon, maybe, yeah, about a tablespoon of syrup. And, yeah, so this is with the syrup. Wicked good, guys. I'm telling you, these are the best. So if you're doing an egg fast, and you're sick of the plain fried eggs, and you want something different than the shaffles, and This is perfect. This is so good. I mean, unbelievably good. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think, and if you like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and continue following along with my weight loss journey. And I'll be putting up more like this as time goes on, because now that we're down 100 pounds as of this week, from my 51 and a half weeks on keto, and we have 45 more pounds left to lose, and the second part of my journey is going to be the hardest of the entire part of my journey going forward. So yeah, so now we're going to do these type of recipes from time to time, and we're going to be continuing on my journey, and hopefully it'll be successful. We're going to be going back to a 23-1 fast instead of fasting for 16 to 8, which is two times of eating, or the 8 hours of opportunity to eat. And so yeah, and we were really successful the way. And when I did it earlier in my keto journey, I was prepping and preparing my entire meals for the week. But since I'm going to be doing a 23-1, I want to do more of that, and I want to put some ones in, little plastic containers with the exact amount of food that I need to eat in the refrigerator for a few days, or even the freezer, and I can pop them out of the freezer and stop it in the microwave. But that's how I've been successful. But yeah, thank you for watching my video, and let me know what you think. And my name is Ron from Ron's Weight Loss Journey, and this is all part of my 100-pound transformation into my weight loss. And I hope you can be just as successful as I've been. And thank you for following along. Have a good day.